Okay, last one of the day. I think you'll be happy with this, Will. How about a little pizza coming from the sky? Sky pizza, which is my favorite type of pizza. Drone food delivery expands to more North Carolina neighborhoods. How about that? Flytrex, a company that delivers food via flying drones, just announced a new expansion. Deliver to more than 100,000 customers in the neighborhoods around Holly Springs, Fayetteville, and Rayford. Huge news for these customers. These drones fly at 33 miles per hour, 200 feet in the sky, allowing them to reach customers' yards in less than 5 minutes around town.
Hot and fresh.
Holy. That's mine. That's mine. I'm watching him drop down the pizza here on on their Instagram account. Go down. Yeah, that's the one. Look, check it the way. Here's the way. I don't know about the music. You might want to mute that real quick. But look, it goes down in a bag. Food delivery. Hands free. Detach your pizza. Move on. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, that's the best way to receive pizza.
I want my drone pizza. I'm always ordering pizza over in the parking lot after baseball games and stuff like that.
Can you imagine just having it? Yeah.
And just drop it straight down. It'd be quite
right
the
in
show.
Your mouth.
I mean, this is all very exciting when it's just a couple of them out there doing it. You can imagine if everybody's trying to order like that, it gets kind of crowded up there. The constant buzz, which I'm convinced that it'll probably be the sound that the last human ever hears, the last human on Earth, the extinction process. It'll be the sound of it'll have some sort of hum or buzz. It's bzzz, that's the last sound a human ever hears.
Yeah, that's terrifying. Why would you want to end it like this?
Because I want you all to envision the terror of that last human. It won't be you, so you don't really have to worry about it too much. But it'll be someone. Probably someone you love. Thank you, everybody, for watching here today. Thank you to the community for supporting the show. We truly do appreciate it. And we've been having fun. We'll be back later.